Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must verify fundamentals first. A 5G-capable phone, an active 5G SIM, and a 5G plan from your carrier. Once confirmed, make sure mobile data is on so the phone can search for networks. Now open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet. This is where you control radio modes. You're starting with the essentials so the device can see 5G. Make sure airplane mode is off and signal bars are visible before moving on. Once in Network Settings, tap Mobile Network, then Advanced, and select Preferred Network Type. Choose either 5G/4G/3G Auto for seamless handover or 5G only if you want to force the phone onto 5G. If your carrier uses DSS, Dynamic Spectrum Sharing, select the Auto 5G/4G option to keep calls and data stable. Make sure to exit and let the phone register. You'll see a 5G icon when connected. If you don't see 5G, proceed to APN and carrier checks. Finish by restarting the phone and toggling mobile data so the network negotiation completes. You should then see the 5G icon. If not, make sure carrier settings and Android updates are installed, because provisioning can require firmware or carrier updates. If problems persist, swap SIM slots, try a different 5G SIM, or contact the carrier to confirm your plan is provisioned for 5G. Key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.